In today's video, I will walk you through how to draw Gann fans in TradingView. To get started, look at the left side of your TradingView screen where you'll find the toolbar. This toolbar contains the drawing tools you'll use on your chart. Locate the drawings or shapes icon. It appears as a diagonal line with a small square attached to it. Click on this icon to open the list of available drawing tools. Once the menu appears, scroll through the available options and select Gann Fan. After selecting it, your cursor will be ready to place the tool on the chart. Next, move your cursor to the chart and choose the point where you want the Gann fan to begin. When you find the location you want to use, click once to set the starting point. After placing the starting point, drag your cursor across the chart. As you move the cursor, you'll see the fan begin to form. Continue dragging until the fan reaches the position and size you want to use on your chart. When you're satisfied with the placement, release your mouse button. The Gann fan will now be added to the chart. If you need to make adjustments, click directly on the fan. Once selected, handles will appear around the drawing. Use these handles to change the placement of the fan. You can move the anchor point, reposition the fan, or adjust its overall layout by dragging the available handles until it appears the way you want. After positioning the fan, you can customize its appearance. With the fan selected, look for the gear icon that appears near the drawing. Click the gear icon to open the settings panel. Inside the settings panel, you can modify several visual options. Change the color of the lines if you want a different appearance on the chart. You can also adjust line styles and line thickness to make the fan easier to see. The settings panel also allows you to modify the angles used by the Gann fan. Review the available angle settings and make any adjustments you want. Continue updating the settings until the fan looks the way you prefer. Once you finish making changes, close the settings panel. Your updates will remain applied to the fan on the chart. If you need to make additional adjustments later, simply select the fan again and reopen the settings panel or use the handles to reposition it. If you decide that you no longer need the Gann fan, right-click directly on the drawing. A menu will appear. From that menu, select Remove. The Gann fan will be deleted from the chart while the rest of your chart setup remains unchanged. And that's all there is to it. Open the drawing tools, select Gann fan, place it on your chart, adjust the position, customize the appearance and angles, and remove it whenever you no longer need it. Thank you for watching.